Friends, in over 3 decades, I have done many roles. I've been an investor, an analyst. I played the role of an investment awareness resource person. I've been in investor protection. I've also been a mutual fund distributor. I had the privilege of being an RIA and a PMS manager. Over these years, I've worked with numerous clients, all of them highly accomplished people, people with good earnings and high savings, with a need to make their high savings grow faster and better. This is a role that gave me a lot of satisfaction, working with accomplished people, people who are very successful in whatever they do, in their profession, in their business, placing their trust on us and building solid relationships with us in their development and in their growth. This has been a very gratifying experience, but all along one question has been on top of my mind, and that question goes back to my own beginning as an investor. Have I really worked with somebody who has very little money, who starts with very small sums of money and then grows into a big significant investor? Why did this bother me so much? This bothered me so much because that is my story, and I felt that I have not done enough to others as others have done for me. And it is that feeling which has been on top of my mind, and for a good reason. So, I have been thinking for a long while as to how I could give back to others what some extremely caring investors gave me. A journey from zero to a place from where I could take care of myself. That's the most critical phase for every investor. The journey from the starting point, which is zero. When you make a few thousand rupees investments regularly, you have very little to invest, to a point where you have matured and your portfolio has grown to a level at which you can take responsibility for your investments. That journey was the reason why I am still here as an investor. So I thought, why not I give that journey to a whole lot of people, hold their hands, mentor them, and take them through the most difficult part of their investment journey to a place from where they can take care of themselves, or they can choose to be with us in some other professional capacity. That thought process, that hunger and that search ended in a milestone driven process which I ideated called Milestones to Wealth. 5 milestones, each milestone leading to a bigger and longer step, each milestone teaching you very, very important, essential behavioral aspects of investing, each milestone giving you the confidence to move towards a larger, bigger milestone, and each milestone making you more confident about equity as an asset class. We are now going to give you a form in this video. You can fill the form and empanel for this program. This program is going to be an entirely digital program. We would interact with you from time to time, giving you the confidence, giving you insights, giving you experiences, and taking you along. This entire process is going to happen only in the mutual fund and ETF space. We are going to handhold you and help you do a lot of things. To understand more about how we are going to do this, do visit our website milestones2wealth.com and go through the entire process which we are going to deploy for your benefit. This is going to be a unique experience because we are going to work with very small investors and investors who are on that stage of growth which is going to lead them to a place where they can be independent, strong, resilient investors. So it's a journey in which many of you may be at different places along different milestones. You must be moving from the first to the second milestone or between the fourth and the fifth milestone, wherever you are. We are going to be available to you to guide you, and I am going to personally lead this process. In this process, we hope to interact with you digitally in a very low cost medium, in a very effective way, involving experts from the world of investing, putting all my experience in play to help you understand how you can become better at what you do and how you can remain confident when the markets are shaky, and how you can improve your belief in equity as an asset class. Milestones to Wealth is your stepping stone to becoming a great investor, a wealth creator, and somebody who is going to leverage equity as an asset class to its maximum. Do come and join us on this journey. Thank you.